Do you want to top your class without spending a single penny on private tuitions? This video is for you. What if I told you that you could learn faster, smarter, and more efficiently using free AI tools you already have access to? It might sound too good to be true, but let me show you how. The common mistake in today's world: we have incredible AI tools like ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Copilot, Meta AI, and DeepSeek. But most students make a huge mistake. They either rely on just one AI tool, or they use them to simply memorize answers without actually understanding the concepts. That is the wrong approach. Step 1. Focus on understanding. When you study with AI, don't just copy and paste the answer. That's the biggest mistake you can make. Instead, focus on understanding every single part of the topic. If there's a word or a line you don't get, ask the AI to explain it again and again in simple terms until it's crystal clear. Step 2. The teach, back method, and voice feature. Once you understand a topic, try explaining it in your own words. Then, use the voice feature in AI chatbots like ChatGPT. Speak your answer out loud and ask the AI to enhance my response or correct my mistakes. It will give you a polished, professional version of your answer, which helps improve both your subject knowledge and your English communication skills. Which tool for what? ChatGPT for deep learning and understanding complex concepts. ChatGPT is often the best. Its answers are usually well organized, easy to follow, and it makes fewer logical errors. It's like having a step-by-step personal tutor. Visual learning, Google Gemini, and Microsoft Copilot. If you need diagrams, images, or visual notes for free, Google Gemini and Microsoft Copilot are amazing.
However, Google Gemini has much higher usage limits than ChatGPT and Microsoft Copilot, allowing users to generate many more images.
Meta AI is another free option for images. My strategy: use Copilot and Google Gemini, and if you hit their daily limit, switch over to Meta AI. Before we move on, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. And don't forget to drop your ideas for the next video in the comment section below. Real-time research, Google Gemini. What about Google Gemini? It's excellent for real-time research. Since Google owns YouTube and Chrome, Gemini is incredibly fast at finding current information from the web. Pro tip: never trust any AI blindly. Whether it's Gemini, ChatGPT, or DeepSeek, always double check important facts for your exams or assignments. The power of DeepSeek. Then there's DeepSeek, which is becoming a student favorite. Why? Because it offers very generous free usage. Even when traffic is high, it feels almost unlimited, making it perfect for long study sessions and deep conversations. Why ChatGPT's voice feature is different? A quick tip on voice chat. ChatGPT's transcription keeps running even when you're silent. This is a huge advantage because it gives you time to think. You can speak, pause to collect your thoughts, and then continue without the microphone cutting off. Remember, the AI world moves fast. Features and pricing can change, so stay flexible. Start using these strategies today to take control of your learning. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments.